Hello friends, welcome to AffairsCloud Learn to Lead. This is Ashu and today I am here to launch a new initiative that is Current Affair on important topic. Through our recent general awareness section analysis, we have identified that news related to mega events is finding more weightage in the competitive exams. In order to cover news related to mega events such as important schemes, important initiatives launched by the government, all of which contain important information, we have chosen a different way to convey that. This is one video on daily basis from Monday to Friday on one topic. Like this video, you can see only one video will cover entire one topic, and today's topic is United Nations World Urbanization Prospectus 2025 report. Let's discuss this report. So this report named as World Urbanization Prospectus 2025. And the important question here is, this report is released by which organization? So in November 2025, the Population Division of United Nations Department of Economic and Social Affairs, which is also known as United Nations DESA. DESA is Department of Economic and Social Affairs, who released this report highlighting a dramatic increase in number of mega cities. Mega cities are those cities in which urban areas with over 10 million inhabitants. 10 million inhabitants. And Jakarta, Indonesia. First rank goes to Jakarta, has become the world's most populous city with a 41.9 million resident. 41.9 million resident. Second rank goes to Dhaka. Dhaka's total population is 36.6 million residents. And third rank goes to Tokyo. Earlier, Tokyo was on the first place. Now, Tokyo is on the third place. Tokyo's total population is 33.4 million inhabitants. So remember, first rank, second and third. And most important thing here is New Delhi rank. New Delhi rank is fourth. So it means New Delhi ranks fourth among the world most populous cities with a population of 30.2 million inhabitants or 30.2 million residents. So remember, you can also see this chart. Jakarta is on the first place, Dhaka is on the second, third Tokyo, fourth New Delhi. This is important for us. And fifth rank goes to Shanghai. Now, what is World Urbanization Prospectus 2025 report? Some of the takeaway points here. It provides annual population estimates for the period of 1950 to 2025. This is important. And also future projections up to the year of 2050. So World Urbanization Prospectus 2025 is the 22nd edition of the series, and it provides annual population estimates for the period of 1950 to 2025 and the future projections up to the year of 2050. And this report represents estimates and projections for 237 countries and areas of the world. And the minimum population threshold for the cities has been lowered from 3 lakh to 50,000 inhabitants, resulting in an increase in the number of cities analyzed to over 12,000. This is very important. Earlier the threshold was 3 lakh, now 50,000, and the total cities now covered 12,000. For the first time, 3 degree of urbanization categories, one is cities, second is towns, and rural areas used. In the 2025 edition of the World Urbanization Prospectus present population estimates and projection for 3 degree of urbanization: cities, towns, and rural areas. And the new definition specifies the city as a contiguous agglomeration, 1 kilometer square grid cells, minimum density of 1500 inhabitants per square kilometer, and a total population of at least 50,000. Earlier this was 3 lakh. And the latest assessment incorporated significant methodological changes as the United Nations adopted new measures intended to address inconsistencies in how various countries defined urbanizations. Now, what are the key highlights? The first highlight is Tokyo has dropped into third place because in the 2024 report, Tokyo was on the first place. Tokyo has dropped to the third place, having previously been world largest city in the United Nations 2000 assessment. Cairo, Egypt, the only non-Asian city in the top 10, is now on the 7th position. This is again very important. Very important. Cairo, the only non-Asian city in the top 10, is now on the 7th position. Now, urbanization is rising basically. The world is becoming increasingly urban, with cities now accommodating almost 45% of the global population of 8.2 billion, more than double than the share in the year of 1950. And the number of mega cities with population of 10 million or more has quadrupled, rising from 8 in 1975 to 33 in 2025, with 19 located in Asia only. 19 located in Asia only, and 9 of the 10 most populous city located in Asia, and is projected to reach 37 by 2050, because this report also tells us about the future projections till the year of 2050. And you can also remember the report highlights rapid urban growth in Asia as well as Africa, reflecting a global shift in the population distribution toward the urban centers. Now, small and medium-sized cities. Among the world 12,000 cities, 96% have fewer than 1 million inhabitants, and 81% have populations below 250,000. So in 2025, cities house almost 45% of the world population, towns 36%, and rural area 19%. So as per the report, the majority of the world urban population resides not in the mega cities, but in small and medium-sized urban centers that play a critical role in shaping sustainable urban development. So rural trend, you can remember rural areas remain the predominant settlement type in the 62 countries today. And I already told you, in 2025, cities houses almost 45%, and towns almost 36%, and rural area 19%. Towns defined as population clusters of at least 5,000 inhabitants and a density of at least 300 people per square kilometer. This is the definition of town as per this report. India specific findings. So you can just remember or just go through this. High town population. India has 44% of its population living in towns only. Large town population globally. India, even if we include China, India and China together account for over 1.2 billion town dwellers, which is more than 40% of the world total town population. Over 1/3 of shrinking cities are in China and 17% in India. This is again important report. Rapid urban growth projection. India is among 7 countries that will contribute over half of the projected 986 million increase in the global city dwellers by the year of 2050. India is among 7 countries along with Nigeria, Pakistan, Democratic Republic of Congo, Egypt, Bangladesh, and Ethiopia that will contribute over half of the projected, that is 986 million increase in global city dwellers by the year of 2050. So some are the takeaway points from this video. One is the report. This is World Urbanization Prospectus 2025. This is the 22nd edition, and this is released by United Nations DESA, which is known as United Nations Department of Economic and Social Affairs. Population estimates of 1950 to 2025 and future projections up to the year of 2050, and it covers 237 countries. This is important. Degree of urbanization, 3 degrees of urbanization covered under this report: cities, towns, and rural areas. Rising urbanization, yes, 8 in the 1975, 33 in the 2025, we already discussed. Top popular cities, first rank goes to Jakarta, second goes to Dhaka, third rank goes to Tokyo, fourth I already told you, this goes to New Delhi, and ninth goes to Calcutta. This is important. 2 cities in the top 10. Fourth rank goes to New Delhi, and ninth rank goes to Calcutta. And remember, headquarters of United Nations DESA is New York, United States of America, and this organization was established in 1948. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video and share this video as maximum as possible. Thank you.